Okay, this is the layout for my next wet felted neck warmer, and a little brooch to go with it. I'll just turn it the other way so you can get a fuller view. Okay, so I've used Cushendale's carded wools, merino wools, my own dyed Kerry Woolen Mills merino wool, and my own dyed silk roving, some merino highlights from Cushendale's, and some curly Wensleydales from Gam Farm, rare breeds, and I think that's it. So here's my little waterfall in the mountains, in a lake, and some Celtic symbols, and we'll see how it turns out.